kings feared the setting of the sun, for as the dreaded sunset neared, the evils of night would come. Creatures that roamed the forests and the hills hunted through the night. They huddled together, cold and chilled, and prayed for morning light. But just when all seemed black and dire, they made a tiny spark. With moss and wood coaxed into fire, man now ruled the dark. With dangers of the night at bay, they soon began to sing, accompanied by instruments of pipes and drums and strings. Now here we are to celebrate our victory o'er the night. All eyes turned toward the starlit sky with music, fire, and light.
To tear away this heart. Ladies and gentlemen, Bob Carlton.